Here are 5 kitchen color trends for 2024 that will transform your space. First up, sage green. This mid-tone color brings a light and airy feel to your kitchen, pairing beautifully with a variety of hardware finishes like gold, brass, chrome, or brushed nickel. It works wonderfully with crisp white countertops, creating a pleasing contrast. Next, hunter green. A deep, jewel-toned shade that offers richness and depth. This elegant alternative to navy blue complements organic materials like wood and looks stunning with warm metallics such as brass, copper, and gold. Hunter green is perfect for a cohesive look on both upper and lower cabinets. For those who love a bold statement, black is the way to go. Best suited for kitchens with plenty of natural light, black cabinets provide a dramatic, high-contrast appearance when paired with lighter floors, backsplash, and countertops. A chalkboard charcoal black is specially sophisticated and stylish. Looking for something neutral yet impactful? Ashley Gray is a darker, mid-tone neutral that blends gray, beige, and warm brown undertones. It's versatile and works well in various lighting conditions, but it's important to test the color in your specific space. Last but not least, sky blue. This cool light blue shade, reminiscent of Santorini, offers a fresh and vibrant look. It's a more avant-garde choice for 2024, perfect for those willing to embrace a bold color for their kitchen cabinets. If you love trendy colors, this is the one for you. Whether you're looking for something light and airy, deep and rich, bold and dramatic, neutral yet impactful, or fresh and vibrant, there's a color trend for everyone.